Just like our facial skin, our body skin also needs proper exfoliation. You might wonder about the necessity of using a scrub when you already have a top-notch body wash glaring at you from the top of your shelf. But this is where many of us are going in the wrong way. The purpose of using a facial scrub is to provide your face with a glow and make it soft and smooth in nature, and a good body scrub does the same job for your body skin. Body scrubs are basically physical exfoliants, and they contain ingredients such as brown sugar, salt, crushed nuts, and others which work to remove the dead skin cells. Apart from that, you can also find chemical exfoliators which contain small amounts of acids or enzymes which help to loosen your dead skin cells. Exfoliating skin is necessary because if you skip this task, dead skin will pile up and make your skin dull in appearance while being responsible for other issues such as clogged pores and premature aging. Using a body scrub will take care of these problems and make your skin healthy and glowing in the process. Based on your skin type, you can use a body scrub once a week or every day. But before choosing a product, make sure to take a look at the ingredients. Sugar is considered to be a gentler option compared to salt, cornmeal, and others. Thus, if you have sensitive skin, you can opt for a scrub made with sugar. And if you have dry skin or suffer from acne problems and rough elbows, you can exfoliate your body skin up to 2 times a day. The key to finding the perfect body scrub is to figure out which ingredient works best for your skin. And to get the highest benefits, you need to find out how frequently you can use a scrub on your skin for achieving optimum results. That being said, let's take a look at our recommended body scrubs that will help to take care of your dry skin.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Ensure weekly multi-exfoliation treatment for your body skin with the Nécessaire, the Body Exfoliator. It's a fragrance-free exfoliator which softens and renews skin. The formula of this scrub has a pH level of 5.2 to 6.2, and it is enriched with beneficial ingredients such as bamboo charcoal, glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid, and volcanic pumice. This body scrub has won multiple awards, and the packaging of the product is minimalistic in nature. You can use the scrub 1 to 2 times a week or as per your requirement, and it will provide you with exfoliating benefits like never before. If you're looking for a solution to your breakout, scar, and cellulite problems, then the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub is here to your rescue. It's a vegan product that promises to provide you with a smooth and glowing skin with its exfoliating benefits. The scrub contains ingredients such as Robusta coffee grinds, which provide ultimate exfoliation, cold-pressed sweet almond oil that leaves your skin hydrated, vitamin E that protects skin from free radicals and aids in healing and fading of scars, plus sea salt that has antibacterial benefits and takes care of dry and flaky skin. The scrub doesn't contain parabens and phthalates, plus it's a 100% natural body scrub which keeps your skin looking perky and smooth just the way you desire. Keratosis pilaris is a skin condition that causes small acne-like bumps and rough patches on your skin. To take care of this issue, the DERMAdoctor KP Duty Body Scrub is a great option. This body scrub has 10% AHAs plus PHAs, combining the benefits of both chemical peel and microdermabrasion to improve the condition of your dry and bumpy skin. And it also has calming botanicals which work together to make your skin healthy and soft. With this product at hand, you can treat issues such as scrub-induced irritation, razor bumps, back knee, as well as body discoloration. It's a hypoallergenic and cruelty-free product which works as a dual-action exfoliator. Its enhanced exfoliation works to prepare your skin for self-tanning and post-bathing treatments. This scrub is a great option for sensitive skin, and it provides healthy complexion while being free from gluten. Increase your inner and outer beauty with the goodness of crushed amethyst powder while ensuring silky smooth skin with the Herbivore Amethyst Exfoliating Body Scrub. This product is a great option for skin that is dry, flaky, and suffers from dullness. Apart from crushed amethyst gemstone, the scrub also has magnesium-rich salt, ultra-nourishing organic virgin coconut oil, and night-blooming jasmine sambac, which work together to provide your body with luxurious moisture. This award-winning product has a fine-grained texture and it is lilac in color, which will add to the aesthetic aura while you take a relaxing shower after a long day. It's a vegan and cruelty-free product which will revitalize your skin and soothe dryness while providing moisturizing and calming benefits. Infused with the goodness of 1/4 moisturizing cream and cleansers that are naturally derived, the Dove Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk Moderate Exfoliating Body Polish is a great option for taking care of your dull skin. This body polish exfoliates your skin and makes it silky smooth while ensuring perfect glow. You can also use this product to prevent ingrown hairs, and it will provide your skin with hydration and minus the dryness. What's more to love is the creamy and whipped texture, along with a velvety macadamia and rice milk scent, which will make you want to choose this product for your body skin without any hesitation. So that was all about our recommended body scrubs that will help to take care of your dry skin. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.